You've probably heard of the keto diet and how successful it can be to help you lose weight. When you eat keto, it means that you're strictly limiting carbs and instead you're focusing on consuming meals that consist of protein, fats and other foods with very little, if any, carbs. When your meals are keto-based, what happens is that your body no longer has the glucose that it used to run on. So instead, it starts to burn stored fat. As a result of that, you will lose weight. The problem is that just like any diet, you don't need a one-size-fits-all approach. You're not identical to another person who's following a keto diet. You don't have the same body type, the same food preferences or even the same mindset when it comes to dieting. Even getting into a state of ketosis may vary, requiring no more than 20 net carbs for some, but up to 40 for others. So a diet that's no flexible is just a failure waiting to happen. That's why you want something like the custom keto diet. You need a way to learn all about keto eating that takes into consideration who you are as a person. Not who everyone is as a group. You can eat keto, your way, once you learn how the diet works and you will lose weight. You'll also notice that your health as well as your energy improves. Plus, you'll be able to do all without scrimping on food or giving up the foods that you like the most. What's great about a keto diet is that you can gain all the nutritional information and not have to abide by any strict diet rules. You get to make your own path. You'll discover that you can lose weight without regaining it. You'll learn that you don't have to rigidly eat specialty foods that cost a lot and are as appetizing as a cardboard box. The keto way of eating follows a sound weight loss principle. If you want to lose weight, you have to lower the amount of calories that you consume. But this is where a lot of people go wrong. They figure that if lowering calories is all it takes to lose weight, then why not go super low? That's what you don't want to happen. If you take your calorie intake too low, then yes, you're going to lose weight, but not in a healthy way. And you're setting yourself up so that your body is going to begin to fight back against the weight loss.